All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, it's a golden age to buy tools. All right, so what do I mean by that? Well, when I was coming up, my options were to buy tools, the tool trucks, part stores, and hardware stores. And of course, Sears. Now, I didn't have a Sears near my house. The nearest Sears was about 20 minutes away in Atlanta traffic, so I didn't go there often. But today is a different age. Literally, you can go online and buy a big toolbox, a roll cart, and all of your tools and never have to get off your couch. Now we're going to talk about some of the brands I recommend you buy on Amazon. Yes, I'm going to have some links, but some of the brands I recommend you can buy on Amazon, some brands I recommend you do not buy on Amazon. When I was coming up, there was literally the tool trucks, Sears and part stores and hardware stores, and the stuff at a lot of the hardware stores wasn't that good. Craftsman was okay. Their ratchets, especially in 3/8 and 1/4 inch, sucked. And so there wasn't a lot of options. Really, there wasn't. Nowadays, you can buy really decent wrenches from Gear Wrench, from some of the other companies, and have really good wrenches. Are they as good as Snap-on? Maybe not, but for day-to-day use, they'll get the job done. Same with sockets. You got companies like Gear Wrench, Gray Pneumatic, Capri, Vim Tools, Astro Pneumatic. All those companies are online. It's definitely a great option, especially for young technicians. You know, it's so easy for young technicians to get on that tool truck, and before they know it, all of their paycheck is going to tool trucks. And it's something I keep preaching about because it is a huge problem for young technicians. They get on the tool truck and ooh, it's always the same thing. Give me a little bit more money a week and you can have that. And we all like tools. I mean, let's be honest. I like tools. When it comes to being sensible, well, you need to be sensible. You need to stay within your budget of buying tools. And a great way to do that is to look at some alternative brands. Like, I highly recommend Vim Tools for your hex, your triple squares, your Torx. Go to them. Don't buy off the tool truck, go to Vim. In fact, Vim rebrands for several of the tool trucks, so keep that in mind. Gear Wrench, their sockets are good, their ratchets are good, their wrenches are good. There's a ton of options. Now let's talk about some of the brands that I don't recommend you get on Amazon. The number one is Milwaukee. And I know, you're going, what? Amazon is not an authorized retailer for Milwaukee. So you might have some warranty issues if you need to warranty it. You're better off getting it from a company that is an authorized Milwaukee dealer. Why? So you can get it warranted if it breaks. They've got a great warranty. Might want to, spend that extra $10 and buy it from Home Depot instead of, Amazon. That's the thing, is yeah, you're buying it from another company, but you want to buy it from an authorized retailer so you make sure and get your warranty. Gray Pneumatic's another one. They're not as open to warranties as some other companies if you buy it on Amazon. Again, not an authorized distributor. But the companies that do, Astro, I think Astro would warranty anything they've ever sold, any way you bought it, etc., etc., etc. Gear Wrench, same thing. Contact gear wrench, they'll send you a new one. Vim, same deal. They don't care. So my point of this is do a little bit of research, but you can definitely fix cars buying online. Now, I'm not saying don't buy anything on the tool truck, because my thing is if I'm going to break it, I'm going to need it warranted, I want to hand it instead of trying to call or email or whatever. I'm lazy like that, but your mileage will vary. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.